This is Sora 2, and this whole clip came from one sentence. Coming up, the exact workflow, the settings that matter, and prompts you can steal. First, the basic workflow. Describe your shot. One sentence is enough. Pick Sora 2 from the model list. Hit Create. We'll fast forward the wait. And that's the clip you saw at the top, straight from one sentence. Now the good stuff, the settings. The model chip lists every option. Switch models per shot, no extra subscriptions. Aspect ratio, wide for YouTube, portrait for shorts and reels. Length, shorter clips generate faster. Stuck? Suggest writes a prompt for you. Now a totally different style of prompt. Watch the range. Same 3 clicks, wildly different shot. Tip 1. Name the physics. Slow motion, droplets, steam. Sora animates what you describe. Tip 2. One subject, one action. Crowded prompts confuse the shot. Tip 3. Add a lens. Macro, wide shot, close-up. That's your camera control. Sora 2, plus every other top video model. One $20 plan at Writingmate.ai. Link below.